Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Avon Motel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Avon Motel is a 1-minute walk from beach access. The property provides daily maid service and complimentary Wi-Fi. Rooms feature a TV with cable channels. A refrigerator and microwave are provided as well. Select room feature a kitchenette. Coin-operated laundry facilities are available on site. Lighted fish cleaning station are available as well. Hatteras Island is 13.3 km from the Avon Motel. Graveyard of the Atlantic Museum is a 30 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.